So finally my freezer is here. This is huge. I wasn't really expecting it to be this huge, but it is very big. So now I have to make space so I can put the bicycles back. But this is what it's looking like. It's so big, very big from the inside as well. See, this is so big, and you have 3 of this where you can put like food if you want to, meat and everything. So only it remains for me to go to the store and buy meat. So it even comes with a key where you can actually close it in case. But yeah, this is for the house, so I feel like it doesn't need to be closed. And it's really nice. It's really huge. With this one, you can do so much. You can cook so many dishes and put it in the freezer. You don't need to worry about cooking every single day. So yeah, I'm super excited. Really excited. Super excited.
Jij komt nooit niks bij mij. Dus veel praten, weinig kopen. Dat komt geen niks. Nee.
These are all the fish that I bought. So I'm going to dry this one. I have my tray here. I have my oven already standing outside. And this one, I'm just going to clean. I'm just going to clean all of this and put it in the freezer in the plastic. And I also bought some other stuff, some meats. I bought meat there, some chicken. I bought shrimps. I'm going to make some celery juice. But I'm going to clean all of this and put it in the freezer. So now let's start drying the fish. I need this one, but I think I'm out of this one. I'm going to ask my son to go to the store to buy me this one quickly so I can spray for the next one. So yeah, so today is fish day. Today is drying fish day. So yeah, I bought red snipers, but they didn't have the bigger ones. So this time I bought the small pieces. But next week, I didn't buy a lot because I really wanted to buy a lot, but they didn't have the big one. I love the big one. So I decided to just get the small one. I just get like few pieces of the small one. And then I got this, I don't know how you guys call this fish. I got 4 of these big ones. And so next week again, I'll be going to see if I can get more of the sniper, the red sniper, because I'm going to dry all of this and put it in the freezer, so when I'm about to cook I don't have to stress myself for anything else. So yeah, dry fish day. So they're going to fix this thing back. They removed the whole stones that was broken and they're going to fix the new stone, and after a couple of days we can fix it back. And today I'm also going to receive my garden chair, which is going to be here. So this is a mess. Drooping the time. I need to clear all of this stuff. On the 19th, they're going to clear these things. So it's a little bit messy right now. So they have fixed the wall, so I can finally come back and hang this one. But first I have to clean all of this mess. And I have also cleaned here a little bit. And I've put this chairs. I don't want to throw these ones away because I have something to put on top of it. And I feel like it is really nice. I'm thinking of painting it, but I'm not too sure. So let's just leave it like that for now. But I've put it there. I've cleared space there. And clear this space also, because this is where the town set is going to stand. I'm thinking about cutting this grass down, this bamboo stick, because it does have like this dark black thing, and it's not really nice, you know, and you have a lot of these small animals. So I'm thinking I'm gonna cut this down one of these days, maybe next weekend. I'm gonna cut everything down and just bring it down to the surface, because I also have the stones here that I need to clear up. But first, let the garden set comes, and when the government people come and clear their old stuff, and then I can look for someone to help me to clear this old things. But yeah, this is what things are looking like right now. Super excited, really excited. So let's wait, because I just got an email that the town set is on its way. So let's wait and see how that one looks like. I'm thinking of throwing this one away, because since I bought these things, the kids never really actually play it. But I'm not too sure. I mean, I'm gonna put it right there in that corner right there and see if they play with it. If not, I'll just maybe throw it away or give it away. It's pretty nice game, you know, so maybe, I don't know. I mean, I'm a little bit in a confused mode, because since I bought it, nobody actually play with it. They don't do anything. They only play maybe not even more than 5 times. So, but yeah, let's just wait. So they already brought the couch. They packed it really nice, but I decided to cut this bamboo, because when I put the couch next to the bamboo, this bamboo has this flies, like these little flies, and I feel like if the summer is going to come and you want to sit there to eat, you're gonna have these flies around. So I decided to like cut off all the bamboo. As you guys can see, I've cut everything. I put some of them in the container, but some of it I have it here. So yeah, I'm going to call my friend to see if we can clear the stones there. Then I have space. Next week the government is coming to the government house, the government boss. They're coming to collect all this stuff here, the old thing in the old stuff that I don't need anymore. They're going to collect them. So yeah, this is what your girl is doing. So everything is just looking good. And hopefully in the next 2 weeks they can fix this sun protector. Then maybe I'm going to take the couch and push it this side, and take the table, the black table, and put it there. So if you are sitting, you can sit there and you can see the kids playing. So yeah, that's good. I have been sneezing like hell because I have allergic reaction to plants. So not to the bamboo, but I think to the little, like you guys can see. Let me like focus the camera. You guys see those little green things? They are a lot. If you guys can see them, there are a lot of them on the bamboo. So that's the reason why I decided to cut it off, because it's just not cool. You have so much, a lot of them. You have them so many, so much. See, focus the camera. See, you have a lot of them, on the bamboo. Let's take a look at here. Let me focus there. You can see there you have a lot. So that's the reason why I decided to just cut the bamboo off and clear things up. So that's what I'm doing. I've cut everything now, but now I have to like, because the container is full, I want to cut it into like piece and put it in a plastic bag, like the way I have done with this one. So next week when they empty this container, I can just take the plastic bag and put it into the container. So that's it. It looks kind of big now. The garden looks very big. Yeah. But I can't wait. I'll show you guys when I finish clearing everything up. Maybe when I clear the dirty stuff there. And the stones, I don't know when we're going to clear it up, but I have to call my friend to see if when she have time to help me. So I have packed all the stuff outside, and the government bus is coming today to collect it. So I can't wait.
so that I can get rid of everything. So now the garden is completely empty, just that the stones are still there, and that I still needed to clear. So yeah, good morning team first. So it's very early in the morning, so yeah, I need to clear the stones, and after I clear the stones, hopefully not this Friday, not this week, but next week, we're going to fix the sunscreen, and then the garden is ready, and I need to cut the grass as well. So this is how things are looking like right now. Those things there, this one and that one, is my stuff that I use to plant my garden. So I need to cut the grasses. Like the grass there has grown so much, like there and there. So I need to cut those grasses, and I need to clear the stones. So that is what I will be doing. And then I clear the stones. When I clear the stones, then you have like a really nice view of the garden. The garden is quite big. This trampoline, I don't know, I'm gonna keep it, or maybe I'm gonna get rid of it in the future, because actually when I bought this one, I wanted something small, but this one is quite big. But the kids love it, so maybe we might just keep it there and leave it there for the kids to play. Yeah, but so far this is how things are looking like, and this is the little set area for me to sit down, and the chair are covered with plastic because it has been raining. This is some of the bamboo stick that I cut out from the bamboo. I want to use it to do something fun with the kids, like do some DIY bamboo something, just fun activities with the kids. Yeah, I'm going to buy like Apple Hallmark Azine. We have this cleaning Azine. So if you want, for example, like when you're having those unwanted grass growing and you don't have the patience to remove it one by one, what I do is I buy Azine vinegar, cleaning vinegar, and I pour it on the ground, and it kills all the grass. So I'm going to buy those ones, and also for the walking area on the garden, I'm going to buy that Azine and kind of clear it up. But this is how things are. Let me just take you guys outside and show you guys what I'm talking about. So this is how, oh, the sun is so shiny, but this is how things are looking. The garden chair is kind of covered right now because it has been raining. I'm going to grow like potatoes with the kids, but first I want to clear this. If I can't clear this stone and get rid of it immediately, I'm going to put it right here in this corner. Let me show you guys quickly. So what I did is that I need to clear this garden all. I have like some stones there. So what I did is I'm going to cut this grass and then find a way and put those stones that I can't get rid of. I put it here because my friend doesn't really have time right now at the moment. She's also very busy. So I'm going to put those stones here, there. I'm going to cut this grass, and I'm going to like also cut some of these grasses and clear this thing up and put something and make it again nicely, and then so I can put the stones there, so even if I don't have the opportunity to throw them away at the moment, but that can still be out of the way. So that is what I did. But I need to clear this grass, and I also need to throw away, like you guys can see this area, like there's no grass here. That's because I throw here the vinegar, the cleaning vinegar, and it kills all the dead and all the grass, and I'm going to do the same thing here. So yeah, this is what the garden is looking. The garden is quite big. It's really big. It's really big. I'm really happy that at least I've cleared up this mess here. So now this is what we have. This is what we're having at the moment. So now what I'm going to do, as you guys can see, I'm cleaning. I'm also having the laundry. I'm going to wash all these dirty dishes, and later I'm also going to cook. I cleaned this last night. I put everything in the dishwasher. So dishwasher is ready, and now I just want to wash these little dishes that I just made breakfast for the kids, and dirty dishes from yesterday. So I've cleaned everything. Everywhere is looking kind of cleaned. I just needed to vacuum the floor and wash these dishes, and later I'm going to cook. I'm gonna do a cooking video. I was supposed to do this video yesterday, but I was really tired. I've already cut everything. It's already standing in the freezer. Let me guys show you guys what I'm talking about. I've already cut everything. As you guys can see, I have my onions, my pepper, my potato leaf, my fish. Everything is already processed. Everything is ready. But I was really tired to cook. I don't have a lot of stuff in my fridge because I don't really put a lot of stuff in here. I just put things that I eat. So if I don't eat anything, I don't put it in here. I have all my vegetables, fruits and vegetables there. So I like fresh food, so I don't really have a lot of things in the freezer. So I just want to wash the dishes and then do the cooking video. And also when the wash is finished, hang it outside because the sun is really shining. So yeah guys, this is what I'm about to do, and I'll be back to do a cooking video for you guys so you guys can see how I cook my potato leaf. So I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. And I'm also going to the store to pick up this afzuigkap, like the thing that sucks the smoke. So the people they mentioned, because I wanted something that fits exactly in here, something that I can hook up to the end in on this two big iron that I don't need to make extra holes. So they came and do the measurement, and so they're gonna tell me which one that I need, and then I'll just find something to hang. Maybe I'll do a little painting here before hanging them. But so far so good. These are all my kardashian. You guys know I have my negro pepper, I have my clove seed, I have my fenugreek, a lot of natural stuff. Yeah, so fullest, stay tuned for a cooking video, and I'll see you guys very soon. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. See you all on my next vlog. Peace out. Doeg. Bye.